So many urban myths out there that are really perpetuated by all the crime shows that, quite frankly, I love. You probably like them too. I just have to sprinkle a little real life, actual law into the mix for you today. And let's talk about undercover cops. Let's talk about confidential informants, because there is this urban myth that if you really corner an undercover, if you really corner a confidential informant, that they have to tell you the truth, in that they can't do certain things without revealing themselves. So this urban myth is really strong with my escort clients. For some reason, my escort clients believe that if they ask a potential client whether he or she is a cop, if they ask whether they are undercover, that they are somehow going to answer them. And they also think that an undercover won't take off their clothes and won't do certain things. Oh no, they will take off their clothes and they will do certain things. And they don't have to tell you that they are undercover, right? This makes total sense, because doesn't that kind of defeat the whole purpose of somebody going undercover if they just have to answer everything truthfully? Look, the government will deal you drugs, okay? They will literally have drugs and sell them to you in order to bust you later. They will import drugs. They will do whatever it takes to infiltrate a certain community, and then they will make arrests later. So your concept, your urban myth that the government will not break the law or that the government has to be truthful, I just want to divorce you of that, folks. They get to lie. They get to break the law. It's not really breaking the law to them when they are doing it with permission, so to speak, right? That's my little pro tip for today. I know that none of you are involved in anything illegal, but it's just frustrating to constantly hear that people think that these folks have to be honest. Absolutely, they get to lie. They get to do things in addition to lying too. Take it for what it's worth.